Tigers, the largest feline on the earth, the fearsome predator, the food chain topper, is at our mercy today. Our national animal is under great threat. Can you believe there are not even 3,000 tigers are roaming in the jungles of India? Today is 29th of July, International Tiger Day. I wish you all a happy Global Tiger Day. Hello everyone, my name is Kaustav Banerjee. I have been working in LTI for last around 15 long years, and through this wonderful series called Unlock Your Passion, I'll be sharing my passion with you, which is pretty much related to jungle and tigers, of course. My love for jungle started somewhere in 2014, and from that time I have visited some of the most beautiful tiger reserves across India. The more I am venturing out in the wild, the more I am falling in love with the jungles. I may not be a very good photographer, but I love capturing those moments, love capturing those visuals. And interestingly, one such video got a little more attention from two of the very popular people. One is WWF Director General Mr. Mark Lambertini, and this year Mr. Joe Walsh, the presidential candidate of USA, has retweeted my tweet. And at that moment I realized people across the world are interested in our wildlife. So why can't we grow some more interest about it? That will help the jungles grow, the tigers grow, the entire food chain grow. So here I am. I'll help you out to plan your first visit to the jungles, to the tiger safaris. Let's get started. For your planning, step 1 is always selecting which tiger reserve you want to visit. I'll tell you my personal choices. Category A should be those tiger reserves which are easy to reach, high tiger sighting index are there, are easy to planning from the booking perspective and everything, and probably a little cheaper as well. In that list, you can have Jim Corbett from Uttarakhand, Ranthambore from Rajasthan. From Madhya Pradesh, you can pick Kanha, Pench or Bandhavgarh. Pench has a Maharashtra part as well. And of course, Taroba in Maharashtra should also be in your category A. Category B could be those jungles which are beautiful anyway, but at times difficult to reach, like Kabini in Karnataka, or maybe the tiger sighting index is pretty low, like Sundarban or Bor, though I have seen tigers both in Sundarban and Bor in my first visit. Maybe some of the jungles at northeast like Kaziranga or Manas, it will be very difficult to go plan it in Kaziranga or Manas, but those jungles are beautiful. So these are my category B. And category C, all remaining tiger reserves will fall under your category C. Step number 2 is how do you do safaris in all these jungles. Most jungles will usually be having 2 safaris, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. So every day you can enter twice in the jungle for around 3 to 4 hours each. You have to enter the jungle in their registered vehicle, which is an open gypsy. Some of the jungle also have Canter Safari. Canter is nothing but an open bus. All the bookings have to be done in advance and online. Some of the jungles have spot booking facility as well, but let's not plan it in that way. Now remember, safari tickets sell like hotcakes, like the Diwali train tickets. So you have to plan it well in advance. Step number 3 is where do you do online booking? Now every state has their own website to do an online booking for the safaris. Remember one thing, all the members coming up with you inside the jungle would need an ID card, and that ID card has to be registered in time of your booking. So if it is booked on Kaustav name, only Kaustav can enter with that permit, no one else. So take out your ID card altogether, take out your credit or debit card and start booking. Step number 4 is your transportation booking, and step number 5 is your accommodation booking. I'll not focus on these things because you know how do you book all your transport or your accommodation. Based on your convenience, you will book it. But again, remember one thing, jungles are not close to the major stations or the airports. So you have to have a private vehicle as well. So once you book your accommodation, you can ask them to arrange a pickup drop from the nearest major station or airport. That will be additional cost to you. Step number 6 is expenses. Now your expenses would come in different folds. One is your accommodation and your transportation. So these things you will book according to your convenience and cost will be according to that. For the jungle safari, every time you enter a jungle in a gypsy, you have to pay the jungle fee, the gypsy rent, as well as the guide fee. So all these three things together would cost you around 4,000 to 5,000 for each gypsy in each safari. Maximum 6 people can go in one gypsy. So if you are traveling in multiple of 6, then of course your each safari would cost you around 700 to 750 rupees. But if you are traveling alone, the entire cost will be on you. And one more point, some jungles are having additional charges for a camera. You have to keep that in mind as well. Now the final step. Is it safe to visit a tiger reserve in an open gypsy? The answer is yes, it is absolutely safe. There are many reasons behind that. First of all, humans are not tigers' basic prey. They don't attack human just for food. And anyway, in the jungle they have large prey base, so they don't need to risk their life to attack a human. Second of all, you will be in a gypsy, so any animal sees the entire gypsy as a single entity which is larger than itself. That's why they would not attack you without any provocation. And another aspect is these tigers are seeing safari vehicles every day, so they are kind of used to it. But with everything being said, you have to follow certain rules. Unless you follow rules, no one guarantee you your safety. So follow the jungle rules, listen to your guide, listen to your driver, you will be absolutely safe. I think that is pretty much it on the planning perspective. You can always reach out to me for any help you need in your planning. And at the end, there are some memorable moments from my jungle safaris. Thank you and stay safe.